coming back to my channel for another video, guys. If you are new, welcome. I am Darlene Marie, and I am so glad to have you guys here on my channel. So for today's video, I have red lipstick in my teeth. No, I'm good. Okay. For today's video, I am so excited to do a huge makeup giveaway for you guys. I did one of these back in the summer, and you guys like went crazy for it. So I figured I would do another one for the holiday season. And I have this like ginormous box. Oh no, we just have some hair covering that. Yeah, golden. We will just. Where was I at? Oh yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys this entire box full of makeup and all sorts of goodies. So. Oh my god, can I get it? Okay. So this is the box you're going to be getting it in. So it is an Amazon box. So yeah, just don't mind that. So I'm just going to pick things through random. The first thing I see here is going to be this really pretty eyelash curler. It's from the Creme Shop. I've actually never really used their products. But I've heard a lot of good things from this brand, and it's almost like, have you guys seen those Tarte eyelash? Actually, I have a pair. I bought one for myself today too. It's these really gorgeous pair of eyelash curlers, and they're just all rhinestoned at the bottom. They're just so pretty. It's of course not focusing, but there we go. They're just so cute. So you're going to get a pair of those. The next thing you're going to get is this Profusions Highlight and Contour Palette. I've heard so many great things from this palette, so I figured I would give you guys one. And there is a mixture for all different skin tones. And the next thing I have is a Glam Glow mask. Gotta love Glam Glow. A pair of Kiss lashes in the shade, or in the style Ritzy. You're gonna get a pair of these. So I forgot to buy them. I was in a rush today because I wanted to get like a last minute couple things, but I'm actually going to include a pair of lashes that I wear. They're the Salon Perfect number 614. I'm going to include a pair of those in here. I forgot to buy them. It's going to look like this. This is the ones that I have. This is what they look like. So you'll get your own pair of these. I love these. Everybody asks me about my lashes. I figured I would include a pair of my favorite lashes in there too. I did also include 2 Wet n Wild crease brushes because these are the hands down best like blending brushes ever. So I got 2 of those because one is not enough. I got this really cool thing. I use this for my brushes. It's the exact same brand. It's called it's from BC Beauty Concept. It's pretty much just like whenever you're wanting to like switch through eyeshadows and you need to clean your brush, you can just like spray it with some brush cleaner and then just swivel it all in here. You don't even need brush cleaner. You can just go on in with your brush itself. I have one too, so let me just demonstrate. So this is how mine look. It is exactly the same exact brand, and you would just take your brush, and it has like this thing in here. I used it earlier for my look, and you would just swivel it around and it gets the color right off. I mean, it doesn't do like a deep clean, but whenever you're in between eyeshadows, it works so good. So I have another Glam Glow mask. It's not really like showing. I have 2 collagen eye masks. I have a Maybelline lip liner. I have this kind of concealing ridge filler. I believe it's for your nails. I also have this Almay The Complete Look. So it has like eyeshadows, lipsticks, and blushes in here, or like a lips. It's like just like a whole palette in one. The next thing I have is another lip palette. This is the, oops, don't mind that. This is the ISH Lip Statement Palette, and I believe Alexandra Garza collaborated on this to make this palette, so I figured I would get this for you guys as well. So it looks super cool. I won't open it though. Yeah, I won't open it. This other palette I have here is, I don't really know how to pronounce this brand, but it is a really beautiful cool tone eyeshadow palette. I can show you guys here. It's really beautiful and like very luxurious. Maybelline lipstick and a Laura Mercier foundation primer. This is the hydrating one. Next thing I have are these 2 Coola Sunless Tan. One is a face serum and the other is a sculpting mousse. And these packages feel so nice. This is like a huge bottle, so yeah. And I know I have a friend that uses this as well, and she loves these too. And then the star of the show, the like, what? Like my favorite thing. I have one of these too, and I love it. It is this Impressions Vanity mirror. I wish it would like just show better. Like the lights are just like washing it out, but it is this mirror, and you just press a little button and then it lights up, illuminates your face, and you can just do your makeup. So yeah, it's really cool. And then you have like a little dish here at the bottom, like put like, I normally keep my eyelashes on that, so yeah. I thought I'd give you guys one of these. It's really, really nice. It doesn't need any cords or nothing. You just put your batteries in and you're good to go. So yeah, you can take it with you, do whatever you would like with it, but yeah. Alright guys, so the rules to enter are super, super, super easy. One, you just have to be subscribed to my channel. If you are already subscribed, then great, you are halfway there. And then two, just leave a comment down below. If you want to write something like nice or just whatever you want to write, you don't have to leave a comment, but you at least have to write a way I can reach you. So either your Instagram handle or your email address. So just leave either of those down below. But if you would like to leave a comment, maybe your favorite item or what you really want for Christmas or just anything in general, just leave that down below. If you just want to leave a way to reach you, then you can do that too, whatever you prefer. And then if you want a bonus entry, all you have to do is follow me on my Instagram. It is XO Darlene Marie. I just changed my handle, so I'm surprised I got that down right. XO Darlene Marie with 2 E's at the end of Marie. I'll have it here for you guys. And then all you have to do is send me a screenshot that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and then send me a DM on Instagram and I will add your extra entry. So easy peasy. I told you guys it was going to be super simple. So yeah. So today is December the 7th and you're going to be watching this on Sunday, which is December the 9th. So I will close the giveaway on, looking on my computer, December the 21st, which is a Friday. I really want you guys to have this package like right before Christmas or like right after Christmas. You guys can like, it could be your Christmas present from me. So I normally would extend it another like week or two, but since I was a little delayed on making this video, we'll have it for 2 weeks. So make sure you enter down below. And please, one last thing, please just leave me one comment. I've done it before where people leave me like 10 comments, and unfortunately I will completely disqualify you if you leave more than one comment because it's not fair to the other people entering. They're pretty easy, so just please follow them and make them super easy for you guys. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking around. Hopefully you guys have a good night. Please be safe and be blessed wherever you are, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!